guys, today I'm going to show you how to make Rice Crispy Treats, or in short RKT. What is RKT? It's basically an edible material that you can make yourself whenever you don't want to use a real cake and you need something that you can mold into different shapes and it's lightweight. Maybe some of you have entered a competition in the past and where you have all the rules, it usually says RKT allowed. That just means that you don't need to use a real cake and you can use this material instead. So, in my experience, the first time I made RKT, I used rice crisps and melted chocolate. The problem with that was, for example, for my Daenerys cake, you can watch a video of how I made it. In that case, because melted chocolate is soft and it can't hold all the rice crisps together until it sets, I had problems with shaping it. I used wrap foil to hold it together, and then I waited until everything was hard enough, and then I could continue with the further steps. And the second time I made RKT, I used melted marshmallows and rice crisps. It worked better because right in the beginning everything is holding its shape quite good and you can build your cake faster than with the first recipe. The only problem was that because of the ball of my marshmallows, I can't place very large ball in my microwave. So I needed, I don't know, 20 steps, or I needed to heat up my marshmallows 20 times until I reached the whole bust cake. And it's very, very messy. So today I'm trying a new recipe I never tried before. I found it on the internet, and I'm gonna use chocolate and marshmallows and rice crisps and some butter. All right, I have all the ingredients over here. This is a bag of rice crisps. It's very lightweight, it's just a puffed rice. If you can't find this one, you can use any other cereal that it's very lightweight and not too hard. And marshmallows, I'm sure you can find. Here in Slovenia, we don't have a lot of choice. I think this one will work. It worked before. So I have also some chocolate. You can use white, you can use dark chocolate, you can use chocolate melts, whatever you have, and a little bit of butter. So let's get started. So I have everything ready on the table. I have my bain-marie or my water bath, and the plan is to melt all the ingredients except this one, and then I'm gonna put the rice crisps into this mixture when it's all melted, and I'm gonna mix it together. I have 200 grams of marshmallows and 200 grams of rice crisps, 100 grams of white chocolate, and just 30 grams of butter. My water is boiling. I'm gonna set it to low. First, I'm gonna butter the bowl so to prevent the stickiness. All right. I'm gonna put everything inside and hopefully it will melt. The difficult part is waiting. In the meantime, I'm gonna prepare a bowl with rice crisps. I think I'm almost ready now. It it's melted and it's runny, so I can coat the Rice Crisps. I mentioned before that for the second time I made RKT, I used just marshmallows and melted in the microwave, and they had to be so hot to reach that state. And now because of the butter and because of the chocolate, this is not too hot. I just hope I'll have enough time to put it on my Rice Crisps and to mix everything up. So I'm gonna put this aside and bring my rice in the middle. Okay, let's try. Sticky. Okay, that was not my plan. Now you slowly add more Rice Crisps into the center and try to cover all of it. I think this is not too hot. I can do it with my hands. That's a good thing about this recipe. You can use gloves also if you feel it's too hot. This will set quite fast, so you have to have your cake board ready. If you're doing a bus cake, for example, like I am, but that's a material for another video. I forgot to tell you, and I forgot to do it. I could use some shortening or some butter on my hands. It wouldn't be sticking that much. Oh, so sticky. Okay, I'm gonna use some shortening. I have it here. This is better. If there is any rice that it's not covered with marshmallows, it will fall down from your cake. So this is it. This RKT now you can shape in a bowl, for example, and it's holding its shape. It's not hard yet, so I have to hurry up to put everything on my cake board to start making my bust cake. So I see you next time when I show you how to mold this in the shape of a bust cake. So this was a video on how to make RKT. I kind of like this recipe. It's easier than both of them that I tried before. And you can melt your marshmallows on a water bath. You don't need to use microwave. It doesn't need to be that hot, so you can handle it with hands. So thumbs up for this recipe. I hope you're gonna try it. Send me your pictures of what you did or your experience. I wanna know. I would like to know what you are creating. So have a creative day, stay healthy, and don't forget that anything is possible. Bye guys.